Okay guys, we're going to kick things off here by adding about a tablespoon or a good knob of butter to a pan over medium-high heat, and we'll just go ahead and let this melt down. Then go ahead and add in a couple of cups or about 10 button mushrooms that I've sliced up. They don't have to be button, they can be shiitake or anything else you like. And we'll just stir and fry these for a few minutes until they begin to sweat and cook through. Once those mushrooms are looking good, in with a small chopped onion and about 2 cloves of chopped garlic. A pinch of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon, and of course some ground black pepper. And I think I'm going to add in a tad more butter because the pan is looking a little dry. So go ahead and stir and saute this until those onions become translucent and that wonderful smell of garlic fills the air. Next up, in with 3 or 4 cups or a couple of good handfuls of baby spinach. Just toss this around for a few minutes until that spinach begins to wilt, and that won't take very long. And my oh my friends, this is starting to look really good. Okay, this is all done and looking good, so we're just going to go ahead and set this aside for a few minutes. Alrighty then, what I have now are a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've carefully made surgical incisions into and made a pocket. And I know you just want to say, good job, Dave. And you guessed it, I'm going to scoop up some of that mushroom mixture and stuff it inside of those chicken breasts. Oh, this is going to be good. I mean, I love chicken and I especially love it when it's stuffed. But we ain't done yet because we are going in with a slice folded in half of Swiss cheese. Yes, Swiss, because I just love Swiss, but of course you can use other cheese as well. Give our chicken a quick dusting of salt and ground black pepper. And just to make sure that stuffing doesn't follow over frying, I'm going to secure these up with a couple of toothpicks. A bit of oil into the same pan as that mushroom mixture. Now our chicken goes in. Now we're going to fry these up over medium to medium-high heat until they are completely cooked through. After about 4 minutes, let's give them a flippy and see how they're looking, and they are looking good. Oh my. So we'll just go ahead and let these fry on the other side. After a few minutes, they are pretty much done, and you can tell because there is no pink whatsoever in that chicken, and just look at that cheese melt down. And I just had to set these on my cutting board because they are looking so good. Look at the juice coming out of that chicken. The cheese melted down, and of course we gotta pull those toothpicks out because you don't want to serve anything with toothpicks stuck in them. Okay, my friends, let's cut into this and just see what we have here. Oh my, I just have to say, don't they look spectacular? I mean, just look at the juiciness of that chicken, that filling, and that cheese. It just doesn't get any better. I mean, plate this up with a fresh, popping garden salad and your family and friends will just go wild. And there you have it, guys, our mushroom stuffed cheesy chicken. It does not get any better, believe me. And you bite into this, it is just a chicken party and explosion. You definitely must make this. And for any more chicken recipes or recipes in general, keep watching the channel, guys, because there are tons there. And if you like what you saw, please give us a like because it really does help our channel out. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe, and we shall see you next time.